Here's one for the Mopar fans, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2020 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack wide body car. Actual miles, listen to this, 35,139 is all it has for miles on it. 392 Hemi underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 6-speed manual Tremec transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chin spoiler. Heat extractor hood. Paint color in this car, F8 green exterior. Cool looking color on these wide bodies. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. You'll see the car from every angle, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on the 20-inch Devil's Rim forged aluminum wheels. Those are part of the Scat Pack package, I do believe, along with the wide body. Of course, flat black hood. Windows have been tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Well maintained and taken care of. Up front there is the protective clear film that is put on, basically up here on the fascia forward. Can't even really notice it's on there, but really helps keep those rock chips and dings down. Kind of the same as far as on the flare from the wide body. Flat black spoiler. Of course, all your monitored amenities that you're going to get as far as the power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. So we take a look at the rear of the car. Some of the other items this was ordered with, it does have the Plus package, the driver's convenience group, Alpine audio, power sunroof, Uconnect navigation with 8.4-inch display screen. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we take a look down this driver's side. If you like Challengers, you're a Mopar fan, just like late model muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, tinted glass, so know your local and state laws with window tint percentage that you can have. Let me go ahead and grab the key fob for this one. Gonna need it in my pocket to start it up. All right, interior. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Seating, the leather and suede combination. Of course, the Scat Pack emblem embroidered in the backrest, steering wheel controls, information center. Again, all your standard equipment that you're going to get. It does have some nice Husky floor liners in it also. There's your exact miles, 35,139. Uconnect stereo we mentioned. Dash looks good. And there's no service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. Sounds menacing, no doubt about that. get this hood open, check out the engine bay. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So hood strut's working fine. Hood liner, nice and clean. This car's not been driven in inclement weather. Obvious with how clean it is. And there it is. 392 cubic inches. Hemi power. And that 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's cold. It's ready to go, turnkey. 2020 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack Widebody. Good looking car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2020 Dodge Challenger in a green, a good looking green. We have a sunroof over our heads, 6-speed manual transmission right here. Very easy to shift. These more modern clutch vehicles, nearly effortless. Can't get through too many gears at those RPMs without speeding a lot, so let's back up just a little. Put her in 6. This is 6-speed manual, so cruising along at 59. We're only doing 1400 RPM. We have a digital speedometer as well as the needle. Nice to have the needle. Some of those new cars, you don't get that. Stereo sounds great.
French media.
Everything is working on this car. The seating surfaces cloth, so you're not going to stick to the center of the seat on a hot day. Of course, controls on the steering wheel. Nice thicker steering wheel for a good grip. Brakes are smooth and very effective, as is the throttle. Such a great sound. Here, let's put a window down. Maybe you can hear the rumble a little better. Sounds very good. Effortless acceleration and comfort in this 2020 Dodge Challenger. Check out all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.